If you want to connect your Apple Watch 11 to any Wi-Fi network without using your iPhone, here is how to turn on Wi-Fi, find available networks, and join any network directly on your watch. So for that, you can press on the power button. There is a Wi-Fi icon. You can press and hold the icon to enter the settings, or you can also press the crown, go to settings, scroll down, and open the Wi-Fi option. To join a new network, look for the available ones in the list down below, and then just tap the network you want to join. Enter the password if it's alphabetic, or you can tap this number icon to switch to a numeric option. Enter your Wi-Fi password, and then just tap on join. You'll be connected to the network, and your current network will appear right below the Wi-Fi option. By the same process, you can join any new network in case the older one is not working. And lastly, as you can see, you can turn off Wi-Fi from here and from your control panel as well. Thanks for watching.